Cannes Boat Show is so important. Once we'd decided that we were making the Y80, we knew that we had to launch it in Cannes, that this was the place to do it.
And Cannes has grown into one of the most important events in the show calendar. It's a beautiful place to be at a nice time of year, and we have a very good audience, and it's a great place to launch a new boat.
So as soon as the previous year's show finishes, we already start planning. It's a tight deadline, so everyone's working really hard to get the boat ready. So yeah, there certainly is a lot of excitement.
The detail is very important and the testing is very important, and every second we have between now and the boat arriving in Cannes will be used to produce the best boat we possibly can.
At this point it's really important for the customer to come down and sort of see the boat as it progresses, and the final stages are really important. You know, lots of things aren't fitted till the very last minute.
We walked the boat yesterday and we reviewed some of the saloon sofa upholstery and they were looking fantastic. It's always nice when you go onto a boat and it's, you know, there's no complaints, no concerns.
So this is when everything really gets exciting and you sort of see it all coming together.
Walking the boat sort of that final day before she'll leave for a boat show, just to make sure that everything on board is looking as it should do. It's really exciting, very proud feeling.
The Y80 has been some time coming, and so it's almost a bit of a relief to get going and to get the boat launched in the water, delivered.
I've been doing this for 20 years. It's still exciting, you still get a buzz from it. Every boat betters the next. That challenge never goes away. Princess as a brand is about not compromising. It's about trying to offer the client the best of everything, and we're just using 40, 50, 60 years of experience designing boats. All of that goes into every new boat, and they just get better and better and better.
Standing in the cockpit and looking through the saloon doors all the way forward to the helm and just appreciating all the space we've created. It was at that point I thought, wow, we've really done it on this one.
You can spend months in discussions with customers, so the client seeing it in reality with all the excitement is just great. That's the whole reason we do it. It's perfect.
To launch a boat at a boat show, so many hours, so much time, so many people go into making it. So to see that it's done, it's finished. It is a big cathartic release.
We've got the most skilled workforce in the industry. You know, we're very proud of our people and of our heritage, and without them this just wouldn't happen. And a model like the Y80 really underpins that. It would be easy to think that the process ends when you're in the shipyard, the process ends with the delivery, but of course that's when the process begins for the customer. That's the beginning of his ownership journey. So that's really when it starts, and so we're all excited about that.
What's next?